Debbie Seiler has been a volunteer for 6 years. She has worked on both child in need of care and divorce custody cases. She has served 8 children during her tenure as a CASA. Debbie is always very modest and in no way wanted to be honored tonight, but her great works for these children necessitated acknowledgement. I would say that's very true. She nailed you on that one. Debbie puts her heart and her soul into advocating for her CASA children. Debbie has been met by the most difficult of parents who do everything they can to put their hurt, their blame, their resentment onto her instead of taking responsibility for putting their children in harm's way. Through it all, Debbie presses on. Debbie recently experienced a really disturbing set of circumstances while working her case involving a young girl. After some of the father's suspicious behaviors were brought to the court's attention during a hearing, the father decided to take the child and leave the state. The school contacted the mother. They promptly advised Debbie as well. Everyone who had an interest in this child's health and welfare was immediately made aware that the child was gone. Had it not been for the relationship that Debbie built with school personnel, this scenario could have ended a very different way. Law enforcement became involved that same day, and a few short days later, the child was found over 600 miles away. Thankfully, the child was not harmed. She was returned to her mother. The father, who had no intention of ever returning, will not be seeing the child any time in the near future. Debbie even met with the child as she was being interviewed by law enforcement to make sure that the child felt safe while recounting what happened. Debbie, though you did not ask to be honored, on behalf of the children you have served, we thank you. You are the epitome of what it means to be a child advocate.
I just really want to take the opportunity to thank the staff, because it just would not be the experience it has been for me without the staff. So I tell them when I'm meeting with training classes that you could not be better supported and encouraged and trained by the staff that's at CASA. So, you know, I love the kids. Obviously, that's why I do it. But I guess I really feel so thankful for the staff. So I'm sure it's the best staff in the country. So,
You know it.
anyway.